SureSlim is a weight loss program that helps people to lose weight through a customized health and wellness plan. They needed more people to sign up, so we created the Chocolate Flyer. A flyer made out of chocolate that helps you lose weight. If you're serious about losing weight, bring this delicious chocolate bar to any SureSlim branch and receive 20% off our weight loss program. They were given out at food, health and bridal expos across South Africa. And for those that couldn't resist, they were given another chance. We see you've given in to temptation. Don't worry, we'll help you with that. Bring what's left of this chocolate bar and we'll give you 1% off for every block you haven't eaten.